Hey my fave nerdtastic brain scholars, welcome back to another AP Calc video. I'm sure you've all been studying so hard, so today we're back with another video to aid you in your path to a 5-alicious summer. Let's go.
So in calculus, differentiation is a big deal. And we have been differentiating when x and y are separated on opposite sides of the function, not together. But what happens when you have a function where x and y are inseparable? Just like your ugly boyfriend and his girl best friend. Anyways, this is called implicit differentiation.
Maybe you'll finally solve in terms of u instead of his ex.
Get it? Anyways, so we're gonna be starting with this bad boy of a function, okay? And the first step is that we're just going to differentiate like normal from left to right. But we're going to make sure that we apply all the derivative rules. And when we get to a y, we're going to make sure we added dy dx. So multiply by dy dx. So like for this one, it would be 2y plus 2x. And then the derivative of y is 1. So it's going to be 1 times dy dx equals 12x minus 12 is the derivative of 12y dy dx. Okay? Yay. So differentiate like normal.
Use the product rule here.
Yeah, that's why I had to do that. Like normal multiply y by dy dx. Okay, yay. So the next step,
Okay, the next step is that once you have differentiated the equation, you're going to move all parts that have dy dx to one side. So how I'm going to do that is that I'm going to move like this over here. And here's what we're going to do. So 2y minus 12x equals 2x, and this one just like pretty much dy dx minus 12 dy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, minus 12. Oh, this one's actually minus.
Yeah.
Minus 12 dy dx. So that step is move anything with dy dx to one side of the equation. Perfect. Next is step 3.
So step 3, I think I'm going to draw this up here so that the iPad can see it, hopefully, because I'm worried that if it gets too low. So now we're going to notice how this side has all dy dx, right? We're just going to factor that out. Dy dx, then negative 2x minus 12, yay, equals this side, which is 2y minus 12x. And then, yep,
Perfect.
so
step 3
factor
is
out dy dx.
factor out dy dx. Okay, step 4. So now that it's factored out and these are separated, we're just going to divide this side by that. So we're going to divide both sides by what dy dx is multiplied by. So it's just 2y plus 2x.
Oh, wait. 2y minus 12x.
Sorry, guys. It's okay. Minus 12x over negative 2x minus 12 equals dy dx. And notice how there's x's and y's on this side? That's okay. That's allowed. So step 4 is divide. That's all I've said.
Yay, and
I'm
then
going to show you another one. So this is our next example. The first
Yay.
step is to differentiate like normal.
so we're going to start with this x over y, right? So x, the derivative of x is just 1, so 1 times y is just y. Then minus x, and the derivative of y is just 1, but don't forget that dy dx, or else you'll get in trouble. And then that's all over y squared, right? That's how you derive, yeah, that's the quotient rule.
Okay, and then plus the 3x squared, that's just like chill, 6x, you know, plus e to the y. So e to the x is just e to the x, because you have y, it's like its own function. So you're going to do e to the y times the function, and that's dy over dx equals. Oh, this was pretty good.
Yeah. What do you think that is, guys?
37.
37.
Great job, guys.
Step 2.
We're going to move anything with dy over dx.
Yes. Well, basically, we're just going to, since dy dx is already on this side, we can just move the 6x over here, so. Sorry, I'm trying to work on my handwriting. Yay.
Okay, and then I'm going to factor out dy dx. And so
So this one we're going to separate into y over y squared minus x dy dx over y squared plus dy dx ey equals 37 minus 6x, right? So then what we're going to do is we're going to move this one over there one last time, and then I'm just going to separate them out in the same rule, right? So it's going to be dy dx times e to the y minus x over y squared equals 37 minus 6x. And then this simplifies to 1 over y, so minus 1 over y. Yay. Then we're going to divide, and we're going to get dy dx is equal to 37 minus 6x minus 1 over y over this, e to the y minus x over y squared. And that's our final answer.
bye.
Bye, queens.